Hey friends, welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix slow Google Chrome. Okay, let's start the process. First is we need to be in our Google Chrome. Just simply double tap that, and once you open it, let me expand this first. Once you open it, you need to locate the three dots here at the upper right side of your screen. Just simply click that and go to extensions. And then go to manage extensions. Once you're here, you need to remove all those extensions present here in the settings of your Google Chrome. Okay? So once done, let's go back to the three dots again and then simply scroll down to locate settings. Let me close this first. Okay? Here you need to locate privacy and security at the left side of your screen and then go to delete browsing data. So all you have to do here is you need to mark all of those browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and as might as well here in the advanced, you need to mark all of those. So this will delete all the browsing data from this device only. Okay? So after that, after marking all of this, you need to click on delete data from basic to advanced. So the next step is, let me close this first. Let us search for control panel. Let's type here at the bottom search bar and then click on open. Okay, let me expand this first. Here you need to locate for network and internet. Click that, and once you're here in this another window, just simply go to view network status and tasks. Once you open it, it will show the internet that you have just accessed or that you have just connected in your device, and just simply go to change advanced sharing settings. I know I'm sorry. Change adapter settings rather. Okay? So once you're here, you need to click the internet that you are currently connecting. Just simply click that and do a right click and go to properties. And once you're here in this new window, you just have to make sure that this internet protocol version is marked checked. And then go to configure and click on yes. Okay? So once done, you just have to restart your computer and access the Google Chrome again, and now you're good to go. Okay? Enjoy a best browsing experience with your Google Chrome and have a nice day, everyone. Please subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Bye bye.